Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teaching Planet and welcome to a new video. So today in this video we will explore the biohacking. So first of all, please subscribe to my channel. So even if you have not heard the term biohacking before, you have probably encountered some version of it. Maybe you have seen Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey extolling the benefits of fasting intermittently and drinking salt juice each morning. Maybe you have heard about former NASA employee Zainer injecting himself with DNA using the gene editing technology. These are all types of biohacking, a broad term for the lifestyle that growing increasingly popular and not just in Silicon Valley where it's really took off. So biohacking, also known as diabiology, is an extremely broad and amorphous term that can cover a huge range of activities, from performing science experiments on yeast or other organ- organisms to tracking your own sleep and diet to changing your own biology by pumping a younger person's blood into your veins in the hope that it will fight aging. This type of biohackers currently gaining the most notoriety are the ones who experiment outside of traditional tab spaces and institutions on their own bodies with the hope of boosting their physical and cognitive performance. They form one branch of transhumanism, a movement that holds that human beings can and should use technology to augment and evolve our species. Some biohackers have science PhDs, others are complete amateurs, and their ways of trying to hack biology are as diverse as they are. It can be tricky to understand the different type of hacks, what differentiates them from traditional medicine, and how safe or legal they are. Biohacking starts to appear more often in headlines and recently in fascinating Netflix series called Unnatural Selection. First of all, what exactly is biohacking? What are some common examples of it? Depending on whom you ask, you will get a different definition of biohacking since it can encompass a dizzying range of pursuits. I am mostly going to look at biohacking defined as an attempt to manipulate your brain and body in order to optimize performance outside the realm of traditional medicine. But later on, I will also give an overview of some other types of biohacking. Dave Asprey, a biohacker who created the supplement company Bulletproof, told me that for him, biohacking is the art and science of changing the environment around you and inside you, and that you have full control over your own biology. He is very game to experiment on the body. He has stem cells injected into his joints, takes dozens of supplements daily, um, bathes in infrared light, and much more. It's all part of his quest to live until at least age of 180. One word Astray likes to use a lot to control, and that kind of language is typical of many biohackers who often talks about optimizing and upgrading their minds and bodies. Some of their techniques for achieving that are things people have been doing for centuries, like vipassana meditation and intermittent fasting. Both of these are part of Dorsey routine, which he detailed in podcast interview. He tries to do 2 hours of meditation a day and eats only one meal on weekends. And weekends he does not eat at all. He also kicks off each morning with an ice bath before walking the 5 miles of Twitter headquarters.